today I'm going to explain to you how we use sentences to express necessity. This is to say when something is important to be done, when it's needed, or when it's a rule, like you have right here. Okay? So I'm going to explain 4 parts of it, but we're going to start with this part. I'm going to write the examples right here. Okay? So it says right here, we use must plus the verb to say something is necessary or that it is a rule. Okay, I will write to you an example. For example, if you want to travel to the United States, you would say, tourists must, so you have the subject, then we use must, the verb. I'm going to say apply for a visa to travel to the US. Okay? Tourists must apply for a visa to travel to the US. Los turistas deben aplicar para una visa para viajar a los Estados Unidos. Okay? So I'm marking here that that is necessary, and it's a rule from the government, from the US. Okay? You have to do that. I will mark, I will do an example that's a little bit more easy. I would say students, I'm sorry for the noise, there's construction. Students must study to pass the exam. Okay? So I'm saying what is necessary, estoy diciendo qué es lo necesario and for what, y para qué es necesario. So right here, tourists must apply for a visa. Los turistas tienen que aplicar para una visa. ¿Para qué? Para poder viajar a los Estados Unidos. Los estudiantes deben estudiar. Sí, pero ¿para qué? Para pasar su examen. All right? I hope this makes sense. So we're going to mark this as done. All right? So let me erase this. Okay, so now we have and need to plus the verb. This is for extra emphasis. This is when you have to say that something is more necessary. Cuando ya es definitivo lo tienes que hacer, no hay otra opción. Es muy necesario hacerlo y debes o necesitas hacerlo. Okay, so have and need to. Okay, I'm going to write an example. For example, if you have to go to Guadalajara tonight, si tienen que ir hoy en la noche a Guadalajara, we say we have to, and then the verb, buy the tickets. Tenemos que comprar los boletos. We have to buy the tickets. For example, if I'm sick, if I imagine I have coronavirus, I have to say, I need to go to the hospital. All right, so I have the subject, the have to right here, and need to right here, and then the verb, buy and go. As you can see, the verb is in base form. El verbo está en forma base, okay? It's very important to check that. So that is that. We're finished with this part. All right? So now, if I'm gonna leave this example, so I can turn it into negative when I say that something is not necessary. For example, like I said, you have to buy a ticket to go to Guadalajara. But if you have a car, si tienes un coche, no necesitas comprar boletos para el camión. Entonces, vamos a usar la negación. We say, we, and then what goes first? Don't have to plus the verb, which is buy the tickets. Okay, I hope that makes sense. I'm going to erase. And lastly, let me mark this as done. Have and need to can use different tenses. Ya ven que les dije que el verbo se pone en forma base aquí. Aquí sí puedo usarlos de diferente manera, pero antes del have to y el need to. O sea, ¿qué diría? She had. ¿Ya vieron? El have lo convierto en had, which is past, es pasado. She had to go to school. Ella tenía que ir a la escuela. Tuvo que irse a la escuela. Bueno, had es debía. Entonces ella debía irse a la escuela. Okay? I can also say for the future, para el futuro, I can say the teacher. Oh, that's not how you spell teacher. The teacher will, el will me marca el futuro. Need to, what can I say? Use examples. Okay? So I hope this really helps you. Remember that if you don't understand or something, you can text me, okay? Have a nice day. Thank you.